Today, we're going into something that quietly blocks more money than almost anything else: guilt and feeling undeserving. A lot of people want more money, but deep down, they don't feel worthy of having it. They feel like they haven't done enough, they don't deserve more than others, or that having more money somehow makes them selfish or wrong. And when that belief is sitting under the surface, it doesn't matter how much money tries to come in, it gets pushed away. So today we're going to bring that into awareness and begin releasing it. Before we begin, let's quickly go over how EFT works in a slightly different way. Your mind and body store emotional experiences, beliefs, and patterns. When something like money triggers guilt or unworthiness, your nervous system reacts automatically. EFT tapping works by combining focus on those thoughts with stimulation on specific acupressure points. This helps calm the stress response and allows your brain to rewire how it responds to money. Over time, this shifts your identity and what you feel you're allowed to receive. We start tapping on the karate chop point, then move through the eyebrow, inside of the eyebrow, side of the eye on the bone, under the eye on the bone, under the nose, chin, collarbone, under the arm, and top of the head. Once we reach the top of the head, that completes one round, and we start again at the inside of the eyebrow. You can tap on either side of the body because the meridians are symmetrical. You can use one hand or two hands, like this. I prefer using two hands, but do whatever feels natural and comfortable for you. You can use two fingers or three fingers. Keep a steady, comfortable rhythm. Now take a slow breath in. Exhale. Close your eyes and imagine having more money than you've ever had before. Really see it: your account, your lifestyle, your freedom. Notice what comes up. Do you feel excitement or do you feel hesitation? Do you feel open or does something inside you say, I don't deserve this? Notice any guilt, any discomfort, any sense that this might be too much for you. Ask yourself, on a scale from 1 to 10, how worthy do I feel of having more money? Just notice the number. Now take another slow breath in. Exhale. Now begin tapping on the side of the hand and repeat the statements after me. Even though part of me feels like I don't deserve more money, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I feel guilt around having more than I have now, I choose to become aware of it. Even though part of me believes I shouldn't have more money, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. I don't feel fully deserving of more money. Part of me feels guilty wanting more, like I shouldn't have more than I do. Like it might make me selfish. All this guilt around money. All this feeling of not being enough. Like I haven't earned it. Like I don't deserve it yet. All these beliefs about money. All this guilt in my system. All this emotional weight. All this unworthiness. All this doubt about myself. All this pressure. All this resistance. Letting myself notice it. What if I am allowed to have more? What if I don't need to feel guilty? What if I can release this? What if I am already enough? Maybe I don't need to prove anything. Maybe I don't need permission. Maybe I can allow more money without guilt. I am allowed to have more. I am allowed to receive more. I am allowed to grow. I am allowed to expand. Money doesn't make me bad, money doesn't make me selfish. Money supports my life, and I can use it for good. I choose to release this guilt. I choose to release this resistance. I choose to feel worthy. I choose to feel enough. I choose to accept more money. I choose to receive it. I choose to keep it. I choose to grow it. Now take a breath in, exhale. Close your eyes again and imagine yourself having more money without guilt. See yourself feeling calm, grounded, and confident. See yourself using money in a positive way, supporting your life, helping others, creating freedom. Let your body feel what it's like to have more money and feel completely okay with it. Now take one more breath in, exhale. Before you continue your day, drink some water. This helps your body integrate the shift you just created. And thank you for doing this work, because when you release guilt and step into feeling worthy, you stop blocking what's trying to come into your life. And that's when you truly start becoming a money magnet. Thanks for being here.